Welcome to the latest edition of Neuroscience Updates, covering breakthroughs in the past 2 weeks. Brought to you by LucidQuest. Akums Drugs and Pharmaceuticals launched DCGI-approved lasmiditan dispersible tablets for acute migraine in adults, with or without aura. The company positioned the formulation as a patient-friendly option for use during attacks, especially when nausea, vomiting, or difficulty swallowing may complicate treatment. Apertura Gene Therapy and Viralgen announced a strategic manufacturing collaboration around TfR1-CAPX, an AAV capsid designed to bind human transferrin receptor 1 and cross the blood-brain barrier. The deal is intended to give Apertura licensees access to plasmid supply and scale-up support for CNS-directed gene therapy programs. Mira Pharmaceuticals reported preclinical data for Mira-55, showing no THC or rimonabant-associated CNS side effects in behavioral assays including hypothermia, catalepsy, elevated plus maze, and open-field testing. The company linked the update to planned IND work in inflammatory pain. Anavex Life Sciences withdrew its EU marketing application for blarcamesine in early Alzheimer's disease after CHMP feedback indicated a positive opinion was unlikely at this stage. The company said it will review the feedback and gather additional data and analyses. Denali Therapeutics received US FDA accelerated approval for AVLAYAH, or tividenofusp alpha EKNM, for neurologic manifestations of Hunter syndrome. The approval covers pre-symptomatic or symptomatic pediatric patients weighing at least 5 kilograms before advanced neurologic impairment, with continued approval dependent on confirmatory evidence. Bristol Myers Squibb presented Phase 4 switch study data showing that adults with schizophrenia remain symptomatically stable when transitioning from oral atypical antipsychotics to Cobenfy monotherapy. The company reported high completion and no discontinuations due to lack of efficacy in the 8-week open-label outpatient study. Quantum Biopharma named Dr. Salvatore Napoli as principal investigator for its planned Phase 2 trial of Lucid-21-302, also known as Lucid-MS, in multiple sclerosis. The company describes the candidate as a first-in-class, non-immunomodulatory neuroprotective program and said an IND submission is planned in the coming weeks. Praxis Precision Medicine secured FDA acceptance and priority review for the NDA for relutrigine in patients with SCN2A and SCN8A developmental and epileptic encephalopathies. The filing is supported by the EMBOLD study, and the company said the PDUFA target action date is the 27th of September 2026. Stay ahead in neuroscience research. Like, share, and subscribe for our updates. Visit www.lqventures.com or